everybody's asking how I did that. Back here, you see here's a hard drive magnet. There's a switch underneath there. I just put a magnet on there. There's the switch right there. And that's for the lid. Most of everybody on YouTube done that. So that way you can watch it, see if it goes out of balance. See, it's not going to go out of balance. See, it's fluctuating really good. So I wanted to make this video. Everybody was asking. The reason why, well, you've got kids, I recommend you don't do that when you got kids. I don't have kids, so that I don't have to worry about. Look at how nice that thing is. But you can still stop it by pressing that button there if something goes wrong. So far I've had it since December, the beginning of December. I've used it probably 10 times. I sure love it. I mean, anything's better than that thing. Them front loaders, they don't even get any water in there to get them clean. You can see how dirty that water was. Put it in there, it'd be dry. It would come out dry, and you know, you put it in, it was dry, and it come out dry. So it would be just hair on there, cat hair, and this one comes without cat hair. So see how quiet it is? There's water going in there now. Rinsing it. The other one wouldn't do that. So yeah, it's just a hard drive magnet I put in there, or you can just put a clip on there. It's no big deal. I did it on that cycle there. I thought I'd do that video because everybody's been asking and I don't know how to explain it, so I just do a video. It's sure quiet. Looking at them clothes going so fast, I'm getting so dizzy. I wonder how, if them clothes were human, they'd be throwing up. Alright guys, I decided to do that video. I'm going to close the cover though. So, but I wouldn't recommend doing that though if you got kids, because, I mean, look at how fast that thing going. Some kid get in there, oh boy, that'd be bad. See how quiet it is? Very quiet.